Hi everyone, Tsofata here from Le Cigarette and welcome to another video. Today we're talking origins or heritage. How do you describe where you're from, where you're really from, if you have heard that question before, to people around you. And before we get started, don't forget to support us this festive holiday or anytime you're watching this video. We have 3 coloring books that are available on Amazon. Positive affirmations, at the farm, and I'm learning to write, all bilingual. Please support our channel by getting these at Amazon. Anyway, let's get back to the video. How do you describe yourself? Liina lame ke Tshegofatso. My name is Tshegofatso. Liina lame ke Tshegofatso. Ke Motswana. Ke Motswana. That means I am a person from Botswana. Motswana ke motho o tlholegang kana o tsetsweng ko Botswana. Motswana ke motho o tsetsweng kana o tlholegang kwa Botswana. That means Motswana is a person who was born or originates from Botswana. That is Motswana with an M, Motswana. So, ke Motswana means I am a Motswana. When there, so one person, Motswana. When there's many of us, so plural, Batswana, Batswana, B-A, Batswana. Batswana are many people from Botswana. Botswana, the country, is the land of the Tswanas. Tswana. Botswana is the country. Batswana are the people, plurally. Motswana is the person. And we speak Setswana. Setswana is the language that we speak. Puo ya Botswana ke Setswana. The language of Botswana is Setswana. The language is also English, Sekgowa. Sekgowa, that is English. The currency of the country is pula. Pula. Madi a lefatshe a bidiwa pula. Pula. Pula literally means rain. The water that drops off the sky. Rain. Pula. Rain. And that's because Botswana is actually a desert, a semi-arid region of Southern Africa. And so water is a big thing. So pula, pula. It's also the country's motto, in that when, there's celebrations or, big occasions, it's not uncommon to hear people saying pula, pula. And that kind of means blessings or fortune. Let those rain on us, or let us herald the rain clouds to, rain. We need rain. So pula, pula. So that's where it is. But it's also the currency, pula. So 1 pula is made of 100 thebe. Thebe. Thebe is a shield. Pula is a rain. And so 100 little shields make rain. 100 thebe equals 1 pula. 1 pula. And so, you know where I come from. Where do you come from? Where do you really come from? You can answer down below. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.